Hi there, in this Workbench story we are going to be looking at the humble pencil.
Not much happens at the bench without a pencil, be it some quick sketches or more detailed plan to be able to make things like this handy device for holding my electronic equipment. A few quick sketches help me to work out how to cut these fun play blocks. Doing life drawing is good for the mind and good for the soul.
I do love a good pencil, and one that I really enjoy are these mechanical pencils. Now, if we squeeze the end here, the lead comes out of here. So if it goes blunt or I snap it off, I can just push that again and I add more lead. And it gives me a nice continuous line. I don't need a sharpener. And underneath here is a little rubber. That can come off and I can put more leads inside. So this really is a one-stop shop if you need something small and light to carry.
Science in the band.